And in that meeting, there was an allegation against me. In that very important meeting for the Congress was there. And there was an allegation that here is a chief minister. Here is a chief minister, Mr. Modi. He is having 250 clothes of pairs of clothes. 250 pairs of clothes with me. This is only allegation made by them. So like Joe, very next day, I had a chance to go to the public meeting in Ahmedabad. And in public meeting, I started my speech with this allegation. I said, there is allegation against me. Of course, normally, chief ministers are facing the allegations that they have a 250 crore rupees in Swiss bank. His son is doing this, his nephew is doing that, his sister-in-law is doing this. This type of things are coming in the media. And allegations are at that level. But I said that I'm a very poor chief minister. So I'm not lucky enough to have this type of allegations. But of course there is an allegation that I have a 250 pair of clothes. I said to the audience, like Joe, I asked to the people on that very day, I said, I'm here with you. First I want a judgment from the people. And I publicly asked the people that there is an allegation against me. I have a 250 pair of clothes. I said their arithmetic is very poor, so where to put zero they do not know. But even though there is allegation that I have a 250 pair of clothes, and publicly, even though I don't have, but I said in publicly, I accept this allegation. Are you ready to pardon me? And it was a surprise for me. The people of Gujarat, they stood by me. And thereafter, no one dared to do an allegation against me. I went public. And in this election also, they could not. But they wanted to for the elections, that's why the speech writers were giving so many dialogues. So they came with the dialogues. Maut ka saudagar. This is my third term in the office. I want to share my experience with you. Normally, we think that we have lost everything. Normally, we think that how this country will come up. There is absolutely defeatist mentality. People think that now the whole gone case. After my experience in the office, with confidence I want to tell you, with the same government machinery, with the same rules and regulation, with the same constitution, if we have an urge to do something, we can achieve the result. Friends, my family background is not known to anyone. So you can understand what type of family background I'm having. I come from a backward rural area where even I had my school education. I was not lucky enough to study even the English language there. But this is the God's desire that I'm here to do some work. If your heart is clear, if you have a clarity in your ideas, if you have a conviction to do, and if you have a courage to face, I'm sure one can achieve. When I took charge in my office, we had a first meeting with our secretaries. I am a person who visited Chief Minister's office only after became a Chief Minister. Before that, I have never visited Chief Minister's office in my whole career. I saw the assembly after became a Chief Minister. I was not even a sarpanch of the village level. I was not even a taluka member, not even a municipality member, not even a corporation member. Because I was a man of the organizational activity and I had nothing to do with this power politics. Even I never run for the election, even in my school age also. For the monitor school or class representative elections. I have never. So it was something special for me. And I had one first meeting with my IS officers, those who are the secretary level. And the educational secretary gave me information. Friends, you know that Gujarat is a very developed state. The perception is there. Of course, the reality is also there, but few things are there. In our first meeting, my secretary reported me that, sir, as far as education is concerned, and particularly girl-child education is concerned, our number is 20th. 20th number state in the country. Friends, I was elected as a Chief Minister. One can understand that how joyful moment can be that. But it was not for me. When I heard that in girl-child education, we are at the very, very poorest position, on that very day, I took the decision for my own sake. I'll change the situation. And I decided something I'll have to do. But normally, in Gujarat, during June month, the temperature is 45-degree temperature is there. Since last 6 years, every month, every year, 13, 14, 15 June, I used to go to the villages, in the remote rural areas, and I select a place where the minimum education is there. Minimum in whole my state, I find out that which place is there where minimum education is there.